Hi, my name's Bill, and the other day I made a little climbing triangle for a monkey that's been running around here lately. And since I don't think the climber is dangerous enough itself, I'm going to add a slide to it. I made the climbing triangle out of pine, and I stained the sides early American, and I stained each of the bars with an aniline dye. I don't have a video on that one, but if you do end up making your own, the one thing I would recommend is do not make your own dowels. It took so much longer than it should have. It's much easier just to buy them. Man, I think this turned out pretty good. So for the slide, I want to try and make something look equally as nice. And I'm going to try doing that with this. A crappy piece of plywood that I paid way too much money for. For the one side of the slide, I'm going to stain it with a blue. And not just any blue, it's called peacock blue. And for the side I'm going to put slats on, I'm going to do purple. And similar to the climbing triangle, I'm going to stain the sides with early American. Because I'm going to do a thin epoxy coat on the one side, I want to make sure none of it leaks through, so I glued the back side. The epoxy finish itself actually wasn't too slippery. Thankfully, from this one random comment on Reddit, I found out that pledged furniture polish would be exactly what I needed to get this thing slippery. So now, we just have to test it out. In the end, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I still have to put the slats on the backside, but whenever I get around to it. Anyways, thanks for watching.